Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use LEGO in Scratch. First, make sure your LEGO Hub is fully charged and switched on. Next, open the Scratch Online Editor or desktop application. Navigate to the Extensions button, which looks like a blue square with two white blocks, and select the LEGO Mindstorms or LEGO Education Spike Prime extension. Finally, connect your LEGO Hub to your computer, either wirelessly via Bluetooth or directly with a USB cable. Once connected, you can start programming basic movements. Find the motor blocks in the Scratch palette. You can drag and drop blocks to make your robot move forward, backward, or turn. Remember to set the motor power, typically from 0 to 100%, and specify the direction. Use weight blocks to ensure your robot performs actions for a desired amount of time, like moving for 2 seconds. LEGO robots become truly interactive with sensors. Scratch provides blocks for various LEGO sensors, such as the color sensor, distance sensor, and touch sensor. You can program your robot to react when it detects a specific color, gets too close to an object, or is pressed. For example, make your robot stop when it sees red or turn around if it senses an obstacle within 10 centimeters. To build more advanced projects, combine multiple sensors and motors. Use control blocks like repeat loops and if-then-else conditional statements to create sophisticated programs. For instance, program your robot to follow a line indefinitely or make decisions based on multiple sensor inputs. Always test your code often and debug any unexpected behaviors to ensure your robot performs exactly as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.